Now they appealed their jail sentences, hoping to have them significantly reduced, if not quashed altogether. But today, only 6 out of 16 climate activists, including the Just Stop Oil co-founder, had their sentences cut down. The group was originally jailed for disrupting M25 traffic and even throwing soup at Vincent van Gogh's sunflowers. They went to the Court of Appeal, with their lawyers claiming their sentences were manifestly excessive, a view disputed by the prosecution. Caffo Patter reports.
Today, Just Stop Oil traded their environmental activism for a legal one, perhaps the most important fight they'll have. Behind these walls, 16 protesters were appealing their sentences and to have sentencing rules changed for non-violent protesters. Amongst the group was Just Stop Oil's co-founder, Roger Hallam, who was jailed last year for his role in blocking the M25. Phoebe Plummer and Anna Holland, who threw soup on a Van Gogh painting. In the end, only 6 of the 16 had their sentences reduced.
The sentences imposed in the M25 conspiracy case were quashed, and the following sentences substituted. Roger Hallam, 4 years imprisonment.
As the judge gave her ruling, supporters stood up in protest, left court before she could finish her ruling, and revealed what they thought of her decision. The mood here is undoubtedly flat, sombre in fact. Just Stop Oil and their fellow environmental activists were hoping to have these convictions quashed, legal precedents changed. But, as you can see, things haven't gone their way.
It's scary, but equally it doesn't deter people from taking action. People will, I'm sure there will be lots of people who will move on to unaccountable things. And that's an option when people think that, well, if you show your face, you'll end up in prison for several years. And if they can't risk that, but they know that they need to do something, they'll do it unaccountably.
After today's ruling, Just Stop Oil released a statement online. They said, to consider what the Just Stop Oil 16 have done without considering the horror of a heating world, of billions dying in the coming decades, without recognising that our current economic system risks ending the rule of law and ordered civil society, is frankly immoral.
If Lady Justice Carr thinks that these sentences will act as a deterrent, then she is wrong.
Just Stop Oil may have lost today's legal battle, but they are determined to keep fighting the war on climate change. Caffo Patter, ITV News.